The dust here is more valuable than gold and silver. 1 pinch costs 4 crore rupees. Know where it came from. Amazing facts. Can dust also be valuable? You will probably be confused in response to this, but today we will tell you about a place where a pinch of dust has been sold for crores. Do you know? You must have heard the saying that all the hard work turns into dust. Dust has always been considered a priceless thing. But today we will tell you the value of dust also. It is not that dust is always useless and lifeless. Sometimes the cost of dust runs into crores. All that matters is where the dust came from. Have you ever wondered whether dust can also be valuable? You will probably be confused in response to this, but today we will tell you about a place where a pinch of dust has been sold for crores. This dust did not come from our Earth but from its satellite moon. In such a situation, when it was auctioned, people were ready to pay 4 crore rupees, 16,71,400 for a pinch of dust. Dust sold for more than 4 crore rupees. The most expensive dust that has been sold on Earth was brought from the moon. This is the reason why this dust has become so rare. It has been auctioned at Bonhams, which came to Earth during the Apollo 11 moon mission. It was auctioned in April 2022 for a price of $50 lakh, i.e. more than 4 crore rupees, 16 lakh. The name of the buyer of this dust is not known, but this bid for a pinch of dust has been recorded in history.